What up, peeps?
There again, back again with Mr. Locksmith. Because he boy tell me say we do Locksmith already, you know, but
you don't remember, it
me
has
no
been that
remember
long.
this, man.
Yeah, it has been that long. We did him on a freestyle. I don't know if it's Sway or one of those. One of those we did Locksmith on. Crazy.
And this one name America.
This one name America.
Where am I gonna talk about America? The arms house America.
I know it's, I don't think it's anything good, my own.
No,
I have not.
Hold on. First of all, if it's sure I know nothing good, a black man is speaking about America. So you know, say you never go paint.
You know, I'm not sure if Locksmith is like black. I think Locksmith. I think of Locksmith like diabolic. Not diabolic. Like already rugged man or immortal technique.
So Mexican.
Something like that.
Okay, but still not good to say about this.
I'm just saying.
Yeah,
I couldn't last I hear any artist talk something good about America, right? So no, maybe he have a change of
not even American.
Maybe he have a change of heart on this song, sir.
No.
Maybe find the good things to speak about, sir. You don't know what we have to listen to.
No.
Alright, let's get into it. It was entertainment to pre.
Yeah, boy,
let's go.
I swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth. So help me God. America is slowly dying of a self-inflicted wound from a weapon.
Sir, you're supposed to be talking something good about America. Sir, don't let me down. Mr. Locksmith, sir, don't let me down.
So me tell you say that was not good what you see first you start with. Sure you say you never go nowhere like go.
Mr. Locksmith, sir, I was hoping that you could find something good. A little ounce of the good, sir, and just rap about it, sir. No? Why are you letting me down so early? Fear of God. Damn.
America is slowly dying of a self-inflicted wound from a weapon that we're supplying. The past season
from a self-inflicted wound that we are supplying.
So we sell them the weapons and then use it back again. So what sense does that make, sir? How that makes sense? I'm giving you the weapon, selling you the weapon to use against me.
America is slowly dying of a self-inflicted wound from a weapon that we're supplying. The past seeds of hatred that race in our bloodstream. We can't agree to disagree on the.
So that one in our background that Abraham Lincoln. So you don't say this. Sorry, alright. So you can't throw out feel like good to say I got talk about. Frank him come on the screen.
Why is he smiling? Why is he smiling?
Yo, hold on. So you know this man, yeah. So you know said not no good. When this man come on the screen. So you can't show all the good to say I got talk about.
Sir, he will say something.
What?
Maybe half good, half bad.
No.
He talks about the bad, then he finish with the good.
No. Friend of Abraham Lincoln, sir. None good now.
We're supplying the past seeds of hatred that race in our bloodstream. We can't agree to disagree on the most basic of things. What's a man? What's a woman? What's the shape of the earth? When this human life began, a conception or during birth. Meanwhile,
ooh, what? When does human life begins? During conception or birth? That's a bar.
During birth.
Yes, what I mean is it called human life when it's just the sperm and it just start to grow, like just start to grow, or when it actually comes out? Which one is life? Because they argue about that. They are, once it's a fetus inside, it's not really a life. Yo, you argue about if the earth flat or if it's spherical. Some things don't really make sense for you. Like, why are we in arms rumbling over petty things, sir? Come on.
of the earth, when this human life began, a conception or during birth. Meanwhile, the projects is more violent, and the Democratic Party stays silent. That's poverty pimping. That's when politics are poverty driven, and they pander to the poor.
Yesterday. So where you gonna come from like this? So where you gonna come from
He's giving him money, sir. It's for him to take. It's for him to stretch and take the money, sir.
So but as he come closer, just pull it.
No, you have to slip to get it, sir. It's an opportunity. Who is gonna give you money in front of your face just like that, sir, for free?
Silent, that's poverty pimping. That's when politics are poverty driven, and they pander to poor communities to get moral impunity. Capitalism is a black man's hell, but Marxism comes from Europe as well. It's not African, so pick a side to collect from. We run away from one slave master into the arms of the next one.
Ah!
One slave woman. I'm not a next one. Sir, but you can choose a good way of that.
Sir,
You can
I
figure
still
that.
have faith in Locksmith, sir. He will talk about the next minute or so, the good things that has achieved and will be achieved, sir. I have faith in Mr. Locksmith, sir, to do that. Alright.
To collect from, we run away from one slave master into the arms of the next one. And every 2 to 4 years they pump fear, and we auction off our vote in exchange for some false hope. Listen, it's that blatant, enslave us through taxation, send money to Ukraine and you paying at the gas station. Cause this administration had plans for the inflation. Natural gas is the actual task. Check the pipeline, now they wanna fight crime, we tools in the plot. They wasn't talking gun reform back when Boo Boo got shot. Drug addiction was not a disease when Nunu had rocks. Now they change and readjust words, cause meth is in the suburbs. In the 90s, Biden locked up our people for coke. Now he's using taxpayer dollars to buy pipes so niggas can smoke.
So when good at that, when good there, because I know it's already start this, so no more good now.
No, yeah, we have more than a minute left, sir. Little less than to go, sir. Something is there. I have faith in him, sir. So trying to give him the cocaine, sir. No. Right in front of his face. Temptation right there.
Yeah,
you don't see the contradiction, or you too busy double tap dancing to pay attention. This is legend. You bought people for coke. Now he's using taxpayer dollars to buy pipes so niggas can smoke. You don't see the contradiction, or you too busy double tap dancing to pay attention. This is legislative lynching, economic Jim Crow. They feed us violence and spirits to keep us spiritually poor. Is this conspiracy? No, far beyond the music. That crime bill defines still how juveniles are prosecuted. We prostitute ourselves for the wealthy, it's not healthy. Fly across country for protest just to get a selfie. Me.
Look how man use it. We prostitute ourselves.
That crime bill defines still how juveniles are prosecuted. We prostitute ourselves for the wealthy, it's not healthy. Fly across.
We prostitute ourselves for the wealthy, it's not healthy. Where you do it or you sell yourself. Well, not literally prostitution, but you literally fuck yourself for let them fuck you, sir.
Yeah.
For wealth. For their
country for protest just to get a selfie. Meanwhile, the news outlets exploited and traditional black values get voided. It happens considerably. Attack the fam, crack the.
That's good. A female sitting on your lap, dancing, touching her tits, sir. That's good. You cannot tell me otherwise, sir. Tell me no. If a female comes and sit on your lap, sir, looking this sexy and stuff, what is not good about that?
Yeah. So that's good.
All right, sir. Mister, you are not letting me down, Mr. Locksmith. I'm telling you.
Traditional black values get voided. It happens considerably. Attack the fam, crack the validity. Keep the fathers unemployed, destroy black masculinity. Keep the mothers out the house.
Sir, listen, man. We are trying to focus on the females, sir. We understand the whole black masculinity thing, keep them unemployed. So basically, they're gonna have to sell their body or something. Yeah. Something to get things going. Alright. So, but we still have the female as a good thing in the video, sir.
The validity, keep the fathers unemployed, destroy black masculinity. Keep the mothers out the house, let the boys run willingly. Then let the streets raise them and haze them to be brazen. It's basically by design. We reside in public housing. Throw us a couple crumbs and we succumb to those surroundings. Perpetuated by educators and pastors. Stockholm syndrome, we fell in love with our own captors. Mass shooters get captured and taken into custody. If black assailants make detainment truly, it's a luxury. Enough to see that there's a power imbalance.
Tell me when that was up good words.
Sir, America right there has captured him and have him living there. And America is the best country in the world, sir. Where dreams happen. So he's trying to run away from the American dream, sir, and he say you're not going anywhere. That's why he handcuffed him. That's why he's giving him female. That's why he's giving me the cheese. It's money, sir, right? With the cocaine, give and take with the cocaine, sir. Yeah. I mean, what he gave him on the CD was not to sell. It was to snark. But anyways, that's just one of the bad things about it, sir, right? He was waving money in front of his face, sir, and all of that, sir, and giving him a baby, sir. America was giving him a baby. So what is wrong with that so far, sir?
Everything fucked up. Everything fucked up in that.
Black assailants make detainment truly it's a luxury. Enough to see that there's a power imbalance. Cowards accept the malice and challenge it if it was valid. Adjust your palate. They say nothing is insurmountable. Cause everybody's sensitive and nobody's accountable. Everybody's sensitive cause nobody's infallible. Never let it disparage you. Welcome to America.
No! Sir, tell me that America took the gun away from his head before he squeezed it, sir. I'm saying America killed himself, sir. America killed him. He said America is slow. Maybe America killed himself. America did not kill Locksmith, sir. No way possible. But you see the way he do it, sir? You see the way how he do it? Somebody representing America. As we know, something like that Abraham Lincoln did. You know, but it was America basically showing you what he is doing to people like
Locksmith. Yeah, so alright, you see all of the thing that we represent America do for tempt you for look past all the bull crap them and do.
And at the same time they have your fear in God.
Yeah.
So that is the whole Christianity part of it. So listen me, you know, we are doing you all of this, but you still have to be a good boy. You want to go to heaven? Be a good boy, fear God. Because that's the only way you're going to go to heaven if you fear God. Anyways. Good one. A very nice, interesting one from Mr. Locksmith. Yeah. And we'll be doing some more Locksmith. We are sorry about that. You understand? We should have been doing Locksmith from a while now. So we'll be doing some more Locksmith. Definitely. On to the next one. 8 bars.
Out.